Welcome to the Midwest Dial Tone training sessions. In this video, we will be going over the texting feature of the ReachUC web browser interface. On the keypad screen, type in the number that you wish to send the text to and press enter. It will then open the texting screen. Type your message in the Say Something window and press enter to send your text. You can also attach a picture by clicking on the picture icon at the bottom right. Your received text messages will appear under the recent header on the left. Click on the number to view the text message. You can click on the three dots to add the text number to your contacts, or to clear just that message or all messages. Thank you for watching, and we hope it was helpful. For even more information, you can visit our website at midwestdialtone.com. To see additional training videos, go to Customer Resources.